Greetings. This is Quinnie, and I just want to share with you something that's been on my mind. Everyone has been talking about getting back to normal after this pandemic, and I really don't want to go back to normal. I actually am enjoying my new normal. My new normal, I am still being still. My new normal, I'm out here in nature, sitting on the ground and grounding myself, Mother Earth and the earth energy. I absolutely love my new normal. My old normal on a Friday, I would have been at my office doing just stuff, that really could have been done on a different day. Just keeping myself busy and distracted, dealing with traffic. My old normal, I would drink a chai latte like almost every day before I would go home in order to just make it home because I was so stressed out from just traffic and life. My old normal, no, there are parts of it that I really, really enjoyed, but for the most part, I'm enjoying my new normal. So I want to encourage you to do the same. Embrace this new normal. What are the things that have manifested, that have been really positive? What is it? Think about it. Because if you really think about like how you were able to maybe go inward during this time of stillness and discover some things about yourself that you didn't know was there, maybe some things that you need to let go of, this time is a blessing. And I know that there are people who have lost their loved ones and who are suffering right now. And my heart goes out to you. And I send you nothing but love and peace and blessings. But this is an opportunity. So take advantage of this opportunity. There's just so much that I have been able to do during this time of stillness. I'm making this video, which I wouldn't have done at all in the past because I would have been too busy to do it. I am, what else? I have actually launched like my QuinniesKitchen.com, which you can find me at Quinnie's Kitchen, QUINNIES kitchen.com. And so I have launched like this beautiful product line of herbals and tonics and all things that I make myself. Literally, had I not had this time to be still and to pause, none of those things would have happened. I'm like really, really enjoying my new normal. So I want to encourage you to enjoy your new normal. Find the beauty in this stillness. So one of the things that I also want to share with you all is my one of my bowls. This is like my Himalayan bowl, and this is the heart chakra bowl. And this is like one of my favorite bowls because when we work with the heart chakra, it allows us to be open and authentic and receptive and forgiving. All these wonderful things that help all the other chakras. So it's interesting that the heart chakra is right in the center. So there are 7 chakras, and the heart chakra is right in the middle. So there are 3 above and 3 below. So in order to have balance in your life, we have to open up our heart. And so this Himalayan bowl and the sound that it makes and the vibration that it gives off helps me to do that. So I'm going to share it with you. just feeling the vibration of the sound penetrating every cell of my body, going right to the center of that cell, opening up that cell and allowing the light to shine through. This is my new normal. I'm definitely not going back to the way life was before. So I invite you to embrace the beauty in the stillness.